Hello, what's going on YouTube? I'm here at UPMC, Oxford Drive, location here at Bethel Park, South Hills, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I'm doing a revisit on their two Schindler elevators, which these are two, they are. So since then, they have just like I had to do a revisit because I just had a, well, before I came to these elevators, I had an appointment just down the corner here. So I'm doing a revisit on one of their two elevators, which are Schindler's. So Schneider. So that's it. Okay. So, since then they have remodeled the carpet, the walls, replaced all the light bulbs, and so forth. So, yeah, the next one, next door one has the same thing. So, sorry my video's taking a little bit long, but it's okay. So, major upgrade. So, we're back to G, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What floor?
Yeah, down.
G? Okay.